Food Corporation of India North East Frontier Region, Regional Office Shillong, haka arpo terik unaitung arjar arpulai, kalapen tepat ba balapelat ye ki Khaw bat ukau kumbah nyo pon sanlak metrik tan, nadu ubenai yong arjar arpo hadu ubenai nok pra arjar arpo ar. Uniu Khaw bat ukau kidiki marban kibayo naka skim Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana baklem jingsi OEA. Habai Krench Kilap Pathai Khubor, General Manager Jangka Food Corporation of India, North East Frontier Region, Regional Office Shillong, USK Yadav, Ulaong Bayu Khaw Bat Ukau, Banaka Open Market Sales Scheme Domestic, in Daily Lam No Hayo, Manlaka Taiew, Hakador Kababiang, Kanang Ban Ajing Mentoy Yeki Babon Kipat Ba.
For consuming rice, but then we also are aware that FCI is supplying wheat. Can you share what is the quantity of these items?
Yes, in Meghalaya, around 12,862 metric ton rice per month we release in that NFS scheme as per state government requirement. They give a preference under which revenue district people are preferring wheat or rice. Accordingly, they give us bifurcation. And accordingly, we are releasing that rice stocks and around 1,829 metric ton. Wheat also state government demands and we are meeting out that without any problem. We have so many that go down points in that Meghalaya. Capacity. We are in process of further building up in these three states. Out of that, around 26,500 metric ton capacity in Meghalaya itself is already in construction or through private party we are in process. In Mizoram also around 13,000 metric ton capacity is under construction. In Tripura also around 49,000 metric ton capacity under private entrepreneurship guarantee scheme. We are trying to build up. We are taking help of CWC also. If all these capacities completed within a year or maximum in span of that some months also at some places, the total capacity augmentation would be around 150% in a span of hardly 3 years. So the efforts you can see that FCI trying to build the capacity. And you might be aware that in FCI Godans, we have some, if you have visited some FCI Godans, there is some vacant areas also. So Government of India has taken an initiative for monetizing all that resources lying idle with that government or PSUs, that agencies. In that effort, FCI has also taken up. It has signed a MOU with its that sister concern, you can say Central Warehouse Corporation, and they will try to build up the godown capacity in those idle land areas. They will also try to explore that cold storage and other that things, so that commercial use of those idle resources can be done on profit sharing basis, and additional infrastructure development can be made in these states. Particularly in Meghalaya, if cold storage are developed, I think for vegetables grown here, I think we can have additional that benefit beyond that food grain, although FCI is handling, but with the help of CWC, we will try to create some that cold storage facility also, if it is feasible wherever that. PDS, you all know that Government of India under NFSA scheme releasing that stocks as applicable for rest of the country also. And fortification is another that initiative. All that rice supplied in NFSA or open sale, any of region is the leading that region, or all the three states are leading in the country who have implemented 100% fortified rice stocks released in NFS and other schemes, which will help in the checking that malnutrition and that other related that things in our that kids, newborns and that women, and rather every citizen who is getting the NFS and other that schemes that food grains from FCI. So these are the major things. I would request again to my media person. Diversion of PDS stocks in open market, I think the FCI can't comment on this because we release the stocks to state government at our weighbridge situated in Godan, and after that it is totally 100% domain of state government to move that stocks to their own storage places or to the ration card that the holders serves. So in that also, if you give a specific that input, we will definitely follow up. But as of now, I have not received any such complaint. And I again invite you, if you have a specific complaint, you please share with the state government, who is mainly responsible for handling that PDS. FCI also will follow up if we get some such complaints.
No, but 2 years back, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the rice that's supposed to come to Meghalaya, it was diverted, I mean, from the Guwahati, it goes down somewhere in Assam state. So what happened in this kind of case? Rice can't
In state of Meghalaya, there is no railhead. So whatever stock we receive from ex-north or where that producing states through rail, which is a cheaper and faster mode. And that is received at Assam. From Assam, we move some stocks to our whatever requirement in that Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, whatever that rice and wheat is injected through the road movement from Assam. So whatever that complaint I think you are telling, that is related to one godown situated at Khanapara, which is just at the border of that Guwahati. From that, state government of Meghalaya has lifted, not that again I would request, lifting of stocks by state government under NFSA. After that lifting, that FCI has no role, but still I think if there is one complaint which is already under that investigation by independent that court has taken cognizance, so that complaint is against state government, not against FCI.